Yonder music.
Hi guys, finally welcome back to the grind. Lots of things have happened since we last videoed. We've moved to a different state. I've had a few different jobs. Lots and lots of changes, too many to get into right now, but I'm newly married, which is awesome, to my childhood best friend. Anyways, I just recently lost a job that I had for a couple years as a private chef, and now I've got some time to get back to doing this. So I've got a couple, actually I've got several videos planned. The first real video that we're gonna do is gonna be keto chocolate chip cookies. Something just came up on my screen. But I just wanted to do a quick little video because I'm gonna start growing my own microgreens, and I just thought that it'd be cool to kind of unbox it and set it up with you guys to show you. I really eventually want to get to growing all of my own food that I'm going to be using in my recipes, but I'm going to start a little bit at a time. So also, before I forget, you guys, if you're watching this, if you could please subscribe to my channel, I would be so forever grateful to you. I'm trying to get monetized on here so that I can actually do a lot more of these videos and have time to do them. But I need more subscribers to get monetized. I've got lots of views, thank you for that, but I need subscribers now. So anyways, okay, so this kit is from Hamama. It's a little grow kit where they send you this little tray here, and it came with 3 different seed packets. One is a hot wasabi mustard seed quilt, then I've got an earthy clover seed quilt, and a fragrant fenugreek seed quilt. And so I'm just gonna put this together with you guys. So first it's telling me to add water to the fill line, which I don't know if you can see it, but there's a clearly marked fill line right here, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I should have shown you this before, but it's kind of got a whole bunch. You know what, let's pour this out. I want to show you real quick. It's gonna be a quick video anyways, so but if you can see, yeah, you can see, so there's all these little rivets is what I want to call them, but I don't know if that's what they are. I think this is going to be really easy. I think it's like a 3-step setup, which is why I thought it would be a good little teaser video to get us back on our channel. So okay, so I've done that. Now we're just going to open up one of the seed quilts and place it with the tan side facing up and brown coconut fiber mat facing down. Let's call it, it's a coconut fiber mat. And it says here on the front, actually, when I open it, I'll be able to show you better. But it tells you like how long it takes to germinate and sprout. Let's see here. So here is, well, actually, this was the little piece of paper. Y'all can see that. So on here, it tells me the grow time is 10 days. Peel the cover in 5 to 7 days. Not quite sure what that is, but we're gonna find out. And so now these get delivered to me once a month. I get 3 sheets for like 13 bucks or something once a month. Okay, so what did it say? Tan side facing up and brown coconut mat facing down. All right, so this is the tan side. You can see here, let's see how close I can get. You can see all the little seeds in there. And there's like, it's kind of like, it feels like wax parchment paper actually. And then this is the coconut fiber mat. Oh, look at my pretty nails. That I'm gonna put, oh, this kind of scares me. Okay, I put it right in here. Let's see if I can tilt. I don't have help today filming this, so I'm gonna see. Oh, don't go anywhere, camera. So I'm just putting it in there and pressing it down to evenly wet. Okay, I don't know if y'all could see that, but it just got totally soaking wet. So, that's it. That's actually it. So, and it doesn't have to be like in a well-lit area. It's saying that even an overhead, you know, kitchen light will give it enough light because they don't need much light. I don't have to ever put water into it again. I just basically have to wait for 7 to 10 days until my microgreens start growing. There's even a couple of troubleshooting things on here and like little, you know, accessories that you can get. But anyways, that's it. I just wanted to show y'all setting up my microgreen growing kit. I'm sure, let's see, Hamama.com. Hamama. So, but I'll update it and show y'all when it starts growing, and hopefully we'll have some microgreens to eat in our salads pretty soon. Okay, thank you guys for coming back to the grind. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon with keto chocolate chip cookies. Bye. Hi everyone, it's Chrissy here. I just woke up and noticed that my sprouts were doing something called ballooning, and I got about halfway through fixing them, and I thought I should record it and show y'all too. First of all, look at those beautiful sprouts. I don't remember, maybe y'all remember. I think these were the mustard sprouts. I'll have to look, I threw away the thing. But anyways, this is what you're supposed to do if it starts puffing up like that. Just remove it. So there you go. Beautiful sprouts. Alright, and here is the finished product. I'll try and give y'all a close up without seeing my messy kitchen. They're pretty. They're real pretty. I'm definitely gonna put them on a salad tonight. They did, see there's roots there, I was gonna taste them. They did, can I flip this? I need my tech team, I can't flip it. They did run out of water, excuse me, at one point. Yesterday, I think, so that would have been day 6. I had them in the window in Texas in the heat. So it could have been that, but I did end up adding a little more water because I noticed there was none and they were looking wilted. And then they perked right back up. They're spicy. They're really spicy. They're delicious. All right, there you go. Let's give a little Hamama shout out again. See you guys later.